Hello and welcome back to Tamara's garden. This is my mother's spider plant, and I have multiplied many out of this plant. And also today I thought of sharing with you about spider plants and money plants, the collection I have from a single plant. This is one of the permanent plants, and you can grow them very fast and multiply them and get free plants out of it. I will be explaining everything in the video, so watch until the end. So these spider plants easily can be propagated and easily can be multiplied. Now see, these are growing in mugs, small broken jars and small pots. Here I have my collection with this simple growing this plant. This is the mother plant. So at the right time you will have to separate these plants and grow them in separate pots. So I really love these jugs, and this is the spider plants propagation and multiplication in various pots. Beautiful indoor plants and outdoor plants too. So this is the mother plant of my money plant, where I have two varieties growing in the same pot, and there are so many other plants that I have propagated from this plant and multiply many others. So with one plant you can have many. So having one plant and growing it healthily will give you many chances of growing many other money plants easily. So by stem cuttings you can propagate them in water, and also these stem cuttings can be put in soil and make more free plants. You can gift them or you can have it in other pots. These are spider babies. You can easily multiply them in water. You can propagate them, or else you can remove these spider babies from the mother plant and easily multiply them in separate pots. These are my water propagated spider plants. They are in plastic tubs, and I have sealed them like this, so only the tip of the spider plant is touching water, and I have kept them indoors. So I have two plants like that growing inside my home. Beautiful variegated leaves. So this is another neon pothos. It's in a medium size pot. It's a plastic pot. And also here I have another neon pothos and two varieties growing in a small pot right under the Erica palm plant. So when you have one healthy plant, you can multiply these very easily and get more free plants. So this is with a moss stick. So today's video I have shown you how to get more free plants out of spider plants and out of money plants. So these are my money plants multiplied to many, growing in small pots, clay pots, and also here in the stand I have them in jugs. Money plant is one of the permanent plants, and especially for beginner gardeners, the best plant, and you can propagate them easily with a single leaf, and a wonderful permanent plant where you can have, if you have one plant you can get many out of it. So when you have one healthy plant you can multiply these very easily and get more free plants. So this is with a moss stick. So today's video I have shown you how to get more free plants out of spider plants and out of money plants. I hope you find this video very useful. Thanks for watching. If you are new, please consider to subscribe to my channel for upcoming more gardening videos, plant videos, and more information about how to grow. Thank you.